Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to trigger and complete the hidden gossip quest that called matching set and get the exclusive retro mic furniture. First, this hidden quest won't appear automatically. You need to trigger it by crafting a Zinser speaker, but make sure you already have the Zinser speaker recipe first. And if you don't know how to get it yet, just check out the tutorial link in the descriptions below. And once you have the recipe, just go to the workbench and then tap on craft and then just search for this recipe, this Zinser Retro recipe, this one. And then next just complete all the materials. You need the rare timber, ores, and then roaming oak timber, and then flawless fluorite. And then next just tap on craft like this, and then the gossip quest matching set will automatically unlock like this. And then next just follow the quest mark and meet the Bobs. You need to meet the Bobs NPC Bobs like this. Just tap on track and then just go meet Bobs and then talk to him and then just accept the quest. Tap and leave it to me, and then in here just give him this Zinser speaker you just crafted. Talk to him again and then just tap on the gossip matching set like this, and then just give the speaker and then just tap on submit. And just like that, the quest will be complete immediately. And then for the another rewards for the retro mic recipe, just wait until the next in-game day to get the, and then next just open your mailbox, and from that you will receive the rewards, the retro mic recipe. That's how you can trigger and complete the hidden quest matching set in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!